Graph 2x minus y equals 3. We're going to solve for y in order to write this in slope-intercept form. We're going to subtract 2x from both sides, and that gives us the opposite of y equals negative 2x plus 3. Now in order to solve for y, we're going to multiply both sides by negative 1. Multiplying this by negative 1 will give us y. Multiplying this side by negative 1, we need to multiply each term by negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 2x is 2x. Negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. Now that we've solved for y, we can read the slope. That's the number multiplied by the x. So the slope is 2. And the y-intercept we get from the negative 3. The y-intercept is the point 0, negative 3. And we can use these two pieces of information to draw the graph. First of all, we plot the y-intercept, 0, negative 3. And then we use the slope to count off rise over run. Now since it's written as a 2, we'll rewrite this as 2 over 1. And we'll go up 2 and over 1. And then we can go up 2 more and over 1. And we have 3 points on the line. We can graph the line then by drawing a line through these points. And then finally labeling the line with the original equation, 2x minus y equals 3.